Former Attorney General Jimmy Bristol is imploring Grenadians on the island and in the diaspora to educate themselves on their rights for Grenadian citizenship. This comes as the lawyer claims that the newly elected government is going against their campaign promise to abide by Grenada's constitution by asking children of Grenadian parentage who were born in a foreign country to apply for citizenship or be deported.
Now, what the Constitution under Section 97 says is that such person born outside Grenada to parents who are born in Grenada after independence are citizens on the day they were born. The Constitution makes you a citizen. You don't have to apply, you don't have to pay for a form, you don't have to pay a fee for a certificate, nothing. What has been happening, and came to my attention in the last few weeks, is that this administration is continuing what the previous administration was doing, making such people apply and pay money to be registered as a citizen.
Bristol says by right, children with Grenadian parentage should only have to provide their birth certificate and that of their parents to obtain their Grenadian passport and not go through the costly and time-consuming procedure of registering for citizenship. He claims that the matter was brought to the attention of the relevant authority and he was told that the situation will be handled, but this is yet to be done.
I did speak with the Attorney General, who said she would send out a memo because she agrees with my position, but that hasn't been done by all accounts because it's still going on. And I had some very worrying news today when I learned that one person who came back to Grenada with their little son, having been brought abroad, was given time to remain and threatened with deportation if he didn't apply for citizenship within a given period. That is absolutely untenable and unacceptable. What bothers me is that the government is aware. They campaigned on a pledge to uphold the Constitution, and it doesn't seem to be that they're doing it in this case.
The attorney states that his concern is not an attack on the new government, but only points out that the situation needs to be addressed quickly. He spoke of how the situation can be resolved.
Well, the Attorney General has to direct the ministry, the Prime Minister's ministry, to stop that. And they will filter it down to immigration. So they will issue the passports. They could set up the internal system where you do a verification in the Prime Minister's office and of your documents. I think you have to verify them.
GBN sought a comment from the current Attorney General Claudia Joseph, who acknowledged that she had an informal verbal conversation with Mr. Bristol on the matter and agreed that if his client was indeed a citizen by parentage, there was no need for registration of citizenship. She told GBN she did indicate to Mr. Bristol that she will address the issue in her capacity, but could not do so as other responsibilities took precedence. The Attorney General awaits the receipt of any formal documents from her colleague and was surprised that the issue was brought to the media as their conversation was just a few days old. For GBN News, I am Rena Pett Thomas reporting.